you go. There she is. It's in there and seated where it needs to be. And you can feel around the bottom here. You'll feel that it's seated in the bottom. That ain't coming out of there. Because its tendency when this ball goes is to drop. And it's got to go through that big bottom there before it's even going to come out. And that sucker is tight in there. So I'm never going to have to worry about this ball joint again. Problem is that bottom of this thing here messed up my grease fitting. So I'm going to have to tap it out and get it in there. I gotta drop that down. Oh yeah. Get my, don't forget your little rubber booty. Where do you go? Under my feet. And your little rubber booty. It's gotta go on the top of that. Wouldn't hurt to put a little bit of grease in the top of that. Stiff that ball is, which is what you want. Alright. Didn't mess up my threads on my thing. And unfortunately this has got a Castel nut. I wouldn't recommend using the old nut. But anyway. Alright. Drop that down. Let's sit on that. Drop that down so I can drop the other part down. Alright. Alright. I've been hellacious on this. It should be hung up with a coat hanger or something. But it's a fairly new brake shoe. So. Okay, you're down here. Now what I want to do is I want to get that ball joint on there. I'm going to get a little bit of grease, put under this cap. Okay, put a little bit of grease in here, a little pressure on it. It's got a neoprene ring on it. The back side. There we go. And it's going to sit right on that, right on there like so. Now I need to, I'm gonna have to get the, okay, now I can release the strut. Ideal situation would be to take the wheel, that lower out, and have a press. But I don't have a press, which I need to get a press one of these days. Need a press. My goal, I need a press, I need a lift. Press and a lift, I'd have everything I need. Get this done. Okay. Now I need something to push that down with. Stay tuned. All right, now I got my persuasion tool. This is a drive shaft that I took out, got out of something. I put a handle on it. Now what I need to do, get this under my, in here. It's still in my way. All right. And now I need to turn this so you can see what I'm doing. Okay. Now I'm going to shove it down. And it will become the spring. Now, get you where I need you. All right, down we go. Come on, quit. All right, let go. Okay. Now, here we are. There. Now, as you can see, I got her inside the socket where it needs to be. Okay, now jack it back up, get my nut on there, and guess what? We are done. The caliper back on. Yes, indeed. Okay. There's the Castel nut on there. I think I took my 7/8 wrench back in there. My 7/8 socket. Kick around here somewhere. I'm still hooked to this. Seven-eighths? No. Probably 13/16. Okay. Okay. Well, I was wrong. That sucker's an inch and a 1/16. Wow. Okay. Man, that's crazy. It's even crazier is I'm gonna have to turn the wheel. Start her up, turn the wheel. Because I can't get the wrench back in here. Wow. Beautiful. Okay. It's alright. I got room here. Man, everything's still cold. Well, we're getting everything together here. He's looking good. Get this back together. You guys are in the Fords because I'm in the Fords. I just got the Explorer straightened out and she was getting herky-jerky coming up hills. And come to find out, kind of coincided. It's been sitting for 4 months, so just got it on the road, so you got all these problems going on. Found the transmission cooling line was leaking. I don't know how much fuel or how much coolant. Hey, cut it out.